right, here we go.
I don't even know if I'm supposed to keep holding the button.
First brand session of the year. I just arrived. Lots of gear. Luckily, there's an elevator. Wait till you see this one. I'm at the Mill for Justine's Mixed Media Artist photo shoot. So excited. This building was built, I believe, in 1882. You can kind of get a peek out here. So this has been converted into all studios. It's going to be so much fun. For this session, we have a lot of gear, and I'm so happy that I'm able to wheel my multi-cart into this space because it is such a time saver. On this day, we had super high winds and it was really cold. I think with the winds, it was like 4 degrees. So I really wanted to pack up my multi-cart quickly so I could wheel in and head to the elevator. Luckily, I could park close, so it all worked out.
Yep,
Here we go.
I don't even know if I'm supposed to keep holding the button. But
I guess so.
precision. Oh, I guess I should go all the way up. I was leveling it with the top of the door. Okay, so my second career, what is this, my third career? My second career will not be, I think I should go one more. You're not going to be able to get over that bump. Yep, I guess that's it. All right.
Here we go.
All
right, so now we were off heading to the studio. Again, you can really see the impact of having this convenient cart, rolling all the gear into her studio. So then we're not wasting any time and energy, and we can concentrate on the session at hand. Could wheel everything in. We first discuss, walk around the studio, see where we're going to shoot. She had her table positioned nicely in the middle with all that natural light coming in from one angle. And as she was preparing, I was preparing my gear too. So getting my camera ready, connecting it to the iPad, concept boards, ready to review, and I take some test shots. How do you apply this ink? With a brush?
It's with a brush. Yeah.
Okay. I want to see if I could capture it with video. I think that might be cool. So if I take out these two.
Yeah, you don't, those are just there because they're my, like, I put the stuff in it so I know what the process is. So it's all.
So I might just see about video. I might not need this. I could go over here.
I don't think we need this here. So yeah, so basically we're going to take, let's take take a yellow and a blue because it can mix them together. And then this guy.
A brush stroke ink type of vibe. I'm doing a video. It's a quick little. So while she was going through her process and we were chatting, I was capturing video for a future website banner placement.
And then what you do is you just take it up with the paper and just like, maybe I want more blue actually.
We go through more of her process. Okay, now I'll flip to some photos. Oh yeah, do that scrunch up again. Let me see that scrunch up. If that doesn't screw up. Hold on.
I mean, I can take just a plain piece of paper. Let's do something like this. I am just screwing around here. Yeah. I have no idea what I'm actually doing. What if I do this? I need some more of that.
I like that little tool.
Oh, I just screwed around.
So was applying the ink Then it was cutting.
Yes, so I have the scissors.
And always be smiling.
Always be smiling.
Woo, this is a good one.
These are my mom's scissors. These are these old gingham, or what's it called? Gingers. That.
You do a pause. Open them a little bit.
She probably doesn't even know I have these scissors like that, maybe.
Love it. Oh my God, these are so good.
Really?
Yes. Wait, let me show you.
I wonder if my lights are. Oh, you did turn the lights on.
Yep. Okay, look at this.
Oh. Watch it, because don't get paint on your stuff, because everything's wet.
Oh, cool.
Oh, yeah.
Like all these little details.
Yeah, you can't even tell everything looks horrible in the back.
You have your glasses
Oh
on.
my God,
And I'm
my
like,
stupid glasses.
keep smiling. There's a smile. Now you're enjoying yourself.
Oh my God, so funny. It's so funny when you see what's in the back,
Yeah.
I fixate on like, what the hell's in the background?
Right. But no, we got your books in there. But this is what we'll do. So I'm going, as you can see, a little bit wider.
Right.
Then I'll go like halfway, and then I like this little shoot through there. So maybe we can, I like that one. And then we get a little bit tighter. Like the scissors are small, so
yeah,
that's going to be like a tighter shot. Yeah. All right, so let me go to the ink again, just like.
So putting
dropping
on the paper or something?
Yeah, I just want to get that as a photo because that was all video.
Oh, okay. So let me go back. And I guess we can just have this stuff in the background? Or,
yeah.
What am I doing?
Okay, so grab the blue or the green ink. And you're just dropping it onto the paper.
On the wax paper?
Yeah.
Because you want to get a shot of the wax.
And then
So
using the
these
brush.
guys
I mean, they can stay.
can hang out there.
Let me get that close a little bit.
All right,
Okay, so green or blue, whichever.
Green or blue.
So during this process, you can see I have images in mind that we had on the concept board. So I'm trying to check those off in my mind while also keeping my client on task and capturing the images that she needs for her project. These overheads are always great to capture.
Hold on, I need an actual paper towel. Wait a second.
Okay. We're capturing her process of applying the materials, the mixed media art to the board.
This.
I don't know if this is what I meant.
Here, put it on top of this just to be sure.
Like,
Oh yeah. Yeah. Love it.
you know, and I like your fingers in there.
Yeah. With my butterfly.
Like, that's nice.
Yeah.
Like you placing it.
I mean, I'll show you on the wall what it is. So
Okay.
like this green one is the board is painted, but then I added some collage. See, like that's collage. This is paint. This one here is like paper. That's white, what do you call it?
Crayon?
No. It's just a high flow. Then this is a pencil, this black is intense pencil.
These are good.
I should just talk about my work.
I know, I love it.
This one is called Persephone's Dream, because then I think we can show both the painting and the adding stuff to it.
Yeah.
So let me get my mind straight about what it is I'm doing. Probably I would look at this, think about it, and then.
Do you want to be holding that piece while that is in the background?
I could do something like this maybe, and it's giving me an idea. And then maybe I'm just gonna take this stuff and like do something like that. I'm not smiling when I should be, but I could just go like that and then pretend to put it in here like this. I'm trying to get my hand out of the way. I'm not smiling, I'm freaking out. Oh, and I forgot one essential.
Ooh, I like this tool. All right, so we have all of those details.
Got the owl, which is my website, but that's my business one, so I don't think I should be holding that. Shoes on, shoes off. We have options.
Okay. I'm gonna angle this a little bit. Sit down.
I'm gonna take this. Looking around. Sorry.
No, it's okay. This is sort of the vignette we're going for. So you can kind of see.
That's nice.
Yeah. So I don't want anything behind your head. It'll be nice if it's like a spot like that.
Pop
and
that
then you
stupid.
have the artwork around you.
All
and
right.
then I'm going to see if once you're in there, if we need to remove, if those are looking
weird, too
like
much.
too loud.
So let me move out some art. Let me get some stuff. So this guy I think can go here. And then these other guys that are on newer ones.
I'll take a picture of you hanging it.
Always be smiling.
That's great.
So this created a great opportunity because I could capture some additional images that we needed of her in her, hanging pictures in the gallery while we're setting up for the portrait. We were just doing a simple single setup for the portrait because we have images from past sessions that also can be utilized. So I'm just making sure she's all set up before we capture some needed images. So I just want to make sure she's comfortable. And then I'll show her.
Like that whole post you had the other day about people need to bring this is so, if you didn't see what you were doing, I would be like, I can't do this.
Yeah.
No,
it helps because then you can make adjustments or you know what's coming.
Right.
It's not a surprise. How are you liking the colors, the artwork? I think we're going to do this again.
I think we should ditch this guy, this little whitey guy. What do you think?
Yeah, let's get rid of him. I'm going to shift you over.
Yeah.
So then we're not in line with this.
That stupid.
But I like the green.
Yeah.
I like the casual. I like how the mug is placed.
Yeah, I think, you don't think we need to fill this little? Oh, that's kind of nice. What do you think? Should I put another painting?
I think if we shift down, we're going to get a little bit more of the art. So let's do that and take another round.
Okay.
After we discuss all those details, we make those adjustments, take another round, and successfully get the shot that we need for the portrait. I make sure she's comfortable, walk her through the pose.
Uh-oh.
There it is.
The chair just moved.
It's okay. All right, so now we're going to go into products. So is there multiple in
There's multiples in there, but I have, like, we can open one pack.
Yeah.
Like, this is the same set, but they're just mixed in there differently.
Okay. Yeah,
So,
you want to open Well, I mean,
Look,
are they all do you have all the variety?
There's there's 3 in here, so yeah, we can do it.
Shooting the products, if I were to do this again, I might test shooting on the opposite side. There was such great light coming through with those windows that it wouldn't create as much of a shadow. As you can see when I'm walking in front, I create a bit of a shadow. So, but we got what we needed. I pumped up my continuous LED light. So for this one, because it's on the board,
Yeah.
I'm doing like your standard, like straight on.
Yeah.
But I didn't.
Oh, so
then
people
I show
can
the
see
detail
what's
so they
happening.
see
That's great.
what it's
Thank
like.
you.
So they know that's just. So we work through other pieces of her art and capture the needed products for her up and coming site. I brought the All right, I hope you had a great time walking through that entire brand session with me. Just to give you some context, this session is going to provide all the visual needs for her website. We really needed process, so that's why this session focused a lot about process. We have had other sessions in the past, so we have portraits that could work with the studio website that she's creating. So we only just needed like one new refresh image. That's why we just did a short portrait session. And she does have a lot of her artwork already photographed, so we just wanted some additional new things that haven't been photographed yet. So that's why the product section was pretty brief as well. And really we focused on the process. Now, just like in any brand photography session, all my clients receive a commercial usage license so they can use these images on website, on social media, print marketing, wherever she needs to promote the business. So that's always key. Additionally, with my process, we always have a strategy meeting prior to any photo shoot. So that's why she was super prepared in cleaning up her studio, setting up the table where she wanted it. We had some great natural light that day. She had all her parts and pieces to her projects and process ready so that we could have an efficient and nice flow to the whole session. So that's why the concept boards, the strategy meeting are so critical to brand photography, because you can see we could just flow through. Nothing was a surprise. She knew exactly what was going to happen. And having the real-time review of the images, she could get excited about what she was going to receive, and it just makes the experience that much better. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, I'm so glad this was so fun to capture. I wanted to link the next video for you here. If you want to know more about the concept board development part of this whole process, I created a video on how I go through my system. There's a template that you can download as well. So I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you there.